Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just showing this new big journal that I've been working on. Been working on it for a little while, intermittently with my little journals, my mini ones, and this one is almost done. So once it is done, I will be popping it onto my Etsy store and putting it up for sale. But I've just got a little bit of finishing off to do. I need to finish off the corners here a little bit because I've kind of stuck the sari silk around onto the spine as well, and this beautiful lace for the backing. So it's really looking good. I'm really liking it. I just need to have a little finish off. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these corners just yet, just to make them I don't know whether I want to make them a little bit tidier or what I want to do exactly with them, because I kind of like the idea that they are a bit kind of tatty and not all stuck down, but I kind of feel like I need to tidy them up a little bit, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do just yet. I'll see. So anyway, that's what I'm doing at the moment with the cover. And I just wanted to, I will do a full walkthrough of this when I've got a little bit more time and when it's completely finished, because it's not completely finished yet. I'm just still tinkering around with some little bits and bobs here. But I just wanted to show you this page because I actually wish I'd filmed making this page, because this is a kind of prime example of when you are doing something like this, is not to kind of give up too soon. Because what I did was I started this page and I wanted to use some fabric. So I kind of just wanted to have a little fabric page, to have a little bit of different texture and to just put something a little bit different onto a page. So all I had to start with was this pink here. So I had this. That was all I had onto a green background, and I kind of looked at it and I really didn't like it, and I was thinking, should I take it off? What should I do? Should I change it? How can I make this better? I really didn't like the page at all. So I'd been watching Pam at the Paper Outpost, and she kind of said, just keep going, keep adding to something and see what happens. You know, you might have a happy accident. So I left the pink, and then I thought I'll add a bit of lace. So I put this lace in there, and then when I'd added the lace, I kind of thought, I know what I'll do. I'll put a pocket underneath and I can pop some things into the pocket because they'll be sort of nicely hidden. Somehow I've got some I don't know what this is. I need to try and get that and move it out maybe somehow. But I've kind of got this like lint here that I put down, so that is has its own texture, and then I put this little pocket on here, totally by accident. Didn't measure it, didn't try and do anything to get it exactly right, but ended up with it just basically looks like even more layers. So we've got layers, and then this looks like more layers. It isn't, it's a pocket. But I'm so happy with it. I'm so glad I kept going and I didn't sort of destroy it. So now I've got my pocket here, so I can pop my little tag in. And I've got this little circle thing that I'm going to do something else with. I'm not quite sure. I just tucked it in there so I didn't lose it. So that's my tag all tucked in. And I've now got this really lovely page that I actually really like it now, and I hated it to start with. So it just goes to show, don't give up on it. Don't sort of have a moment and just think, oh, I really feel like all is lost. It isn't. You can change things around, add things, cover things up, and you will be able to get there in the end. But I kind of wish I'd filmed it now, because the way that retrieved itself was just magical, really. And now I really like it. All the textures are different, the colours are all different. It all kind of just looks really good together. So I was just really, really pleased with it, which is, it's great. I really like it. So just goes to show, you know, you just keep going until it becomes something that you love. So yeah, lots and lots going on in this particular journal, but I do just want to tidy up a little bit on the edges. I may just stick those edges down. I'm not quite sure how to make them better, but I don't really want to tidy it up too much because I kind of want it to look a bit rustic, and it does look a lot rustic at the moment. All the edges are going to be all frayed anyway, so I may just fray them all a little bit more and just really make it very, very frayed, and then I might be happier with it, really. But that's where I am at the moment with it. And I do have some more of these butterflies, so I could put butterflies up in the corner, and then maybe stick these ones down a bit more, but we'll see. I just want to finish it off a little bit more, and I've more or less finished the inside, so there's lots going on the inside. I'll do a full flip through when it is completely done, but I just really wanted to show you that page because it was retrieved out of the jaws as victory was seized out of the jaws of defeat with that one. So yeah, just keep going, don't stop, don't give up. Don't kind of look at it as a disaster, because you can just keep covering things up, adding to things, and you get something really good in the end. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.